Hey, yeah. Hello everyone, my name is Manuel Garcia and I'm one of the developers of the To-Do List Optimizer 1.0. The other developers are Daniel Gonzalez and Salvador Ricardo. I would like to start saying that in our daily life we have busy schedules that usually are comprised by several places that we need to visit or go to, and we have to perform several tasks within those places. In order to do so, what we usually do is managing several applications like reminders and navigation applications like Google Maps. And we swipe between apps in order to accomplish those. So it is a non-intuitive way to solve tasks in nowadays with the advance of internet and mobile apps. And also you have to use multiple applications in order to accomplish this same. So also you have to use multiple applications in order to complete all the tasks within your itinerary. Current systems that have tried to solve this are reminders in iOS, Google Maps or Apple Maps, and another system that is closer to our system is MapQuest, which has nice website which allow you to traverse several places, but it doesn't optimize the route nor give you the options to add tasks to those places. The mobile app, as shown in the middle of the screenshots, is not even close to the web applications. It pretty much only allows you to go to places like Google Maps or Apple Maps. Our solution is to create an app that integrates the best of task management and navigation. Also, we will try to provide a user interface to the user that will give them a nice user experience and would allow them to understand the app much better and much faster than the previous apps. We first try to allow the users to have a persistent data through all the devices. That means the user can have the same itinerary in several devices. And in order to do this, we implemented a database and using MLab. It's a MongoDB. And we have MongoDB. We have the data of all the places that the user wants to go and all the tasks within those places stored in the database. This allows the user to have multiple devices like iPad, phones, and have the same data in all those devices. We also save the data for each user, like name, usernames, in a secure manner. We provide an easy sign up, sign in screen for the user. It allows the user, if it's not registered, to register with only one step, username and password, really intuitive. And if it's sign in, you just need to hit sign in and just start using the app. Once the user is signed in, it's gonna stay as signed in the app as long as it doesn't sign out from the app. So it's really convenient. The user doesn't need to enter credentials every time he or she logs into the application. We also send those passwords from the server and to the server in a secure and encrypted manner. On the main view, we allow the user to intuitively add new places and new tasks within those places. It also allows the user to see the places she or he has to visit in an order manner. As soon as you add a place, you can see the position on that place within your itinerary. So it reorder the places for you. Also allows the user to have a quick view to all the tasks that are due within a specific place and allows the user to also check them or remove them within the same screen, which is really convenient. You don't have to be swapping between screens. It gives the user another important information, which is the total amount of time that would take to traverse all those places. Um, this is this is done dynamically every time you add a new place. When the user is ready to start navigation, it can go to the map and it has a nice overview of all the places in the way they need to be traversed. Also provides the user with really relevant information, like the last place it needs to visit, the total amount of time and distance that the trip would take, and the main route it needs to follow. Also, the user, once start navigating, has step-by-step information about the maneuver that she or he needs to perform in order to get to the closest place. Also give you the time and distance to the next place. The system also allows the user to manage the task within the places by detecting proximity of the user to the closest place. This allows the system to determine when the user has arrived to the next place and pop on screen with all the tasks that the user needs to complete in that place. This gives the user a nice and intuitive interface in which it can handle all the tasks, complete them, erase them, or complete them all at the same time, depending on their needs. The user also is prompt with the user also is prompt if he or she is leaving the place and some task hasn't been completed. This also allows the user for a better management all the time. For whatever, I don't want to say that. We would like to thank Monique Ross for all her support during this semester. She has provided not only guidance but also all the necessary resources to develop and test our application.